makes much more sense trying to look for areas which are previously not taxed and then tax them, as opposed to continually adding taxes, more and more taxes on an already overburdened populace. Mr. Speaker. So this should have been the best approach, rather than going to fuel and increasing the VAT twofold, actually doubling VAT on fuel. Yet you have got other areas you could have explored, like you are attempting to do through these regulations now. So that is my point. That in future, those mandarins in this government should be more considerate of the plight of the ordinary mwananchi who is suffering under the burden of taxes. Mr. Speaker, I am also saddened to note, of course, even as we debate this, you know, we live in a country that is governed by the rule of law. One of the cardinal principles, indeed, values in the Constitution 2010 is that every citizen, I think at Article 3, every citizen is under an obligation to respect the Constitution and, I believe, enabling laws. So, Mr. Speaker, it is a saddening moment that this House can be sitting this afternoon, of course, to discuss, among other things, new measures to raise taxes, when the government has blatantly disobeyed express court orders, which suspended the operationalization of the Finance Act 2023. It is indeed a very sad day that we could be here sitting and talking normally, as if things are normal. What message are we sending to the people? What message are we sending to the international community? What message are we sending to possible future investors in this country? If a whole government can blatantly disregard an express court order, by now I would have expected the Honorable Kimani Chungwa, my good friend, to invite the Attorney General here to explain to the Kenyan people through their representatives in this House why the government has refused to obey an express court order which has suspended the operationalization of the Finance Act 2023. As we sit here, Mr. Speaker, Kenyans are being charged extra taxes when they buy fuel, a taxation which is outrightly unconstitutional and illegal based on the express court order. What example are you showing the world, you people in Kenya Kwanza? What example are you showing us?
Yes, majority.